Hi guys, nice to meet you all with a new unboxing video. Before going into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Watch the video completely so that we can reveal a special surprise for you guys. Today, I came up with a new product that Apple launched, Apple Watch Series 7. So, let's get into a video.
Apple Watch Series 7 that I have bought recently, and I have ordered a midnight aluminum case. It also comes up with three different cases like aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. It also has two different sizes like 41 and 45 in all variants. And we'll unbox it and look what we got inside the box. Inside this, we have one big box and one small box. Okay, let's start with the smaller one, and the smaller one contains a strap for the watch. And let's move to the bigger one. The box contains some instruction guides. Wireless charger for the watch, and it's very important because this watch only supports this charger and it won't charge on another wireless chargers including Mac. And there you go. Shiny gorgeous Apple Watch Series 7. And I'm turning it on, and let's just attach the straps to it. And you have to attach it like this, and just an easy slide so it can automatically fit there. Let's pair it with our mobile. I'm going into that Apple Watch app, and it will ask for a start pairing, and I'm just clicking it. And another screen asking for a setup for myself or a setup for a family member. Then I'm going for a setup for myself, and you can see on kind of camera thing opening up, and when you click that, your watch will automatically turn into a QR code, like a code that you're just seeing on a screen. It's like more like a QR code, and we are just scanning through our mobile, and it will automatically sync your mobile to watch, and it says your Apple Watch is paired. And I am just setting it up, and I am asking for a watch preferences, and I am going for the left, and it will take some time to pair your mobile to watch, so let's wait. Showing like a legal agreement kind of stuffs, and we have to agree it and go into it. Select OK, and it's asking for the text size and the font size of your watch, and it's asking me to set up a Apple Watch password. So I'm just creating a basic password, and it's saying that the code is easily guessed. I'm just continuing with it and just re-entering it, and it's saying that you keep your Apple Watch up to date. Very unique thing that Apple Watches has, that has fall detection, and it's asking for the app view. I'm going for the grid view, and there you go. Apple Watch is now syncing with your mobile phone. Your Apple Watch is ready. That's all from my side. Hope you all liked the video. As I mentioned earlier, it's time to reveal the surprise that I mentioned earlier. We have a giveaway on this month 10. I'm gonna give Apple AirPods. How you need to participate on this giveaway is an easy thing. You just need to subscribe my channel and like my video, and need to comment. Bye guys, see you next time with another video.